It's like an interactive search engine, better than AI. It's not AI, it's just I.
It's actual humans.
Yeah, human intelligence, and it's way better than everything else.
You're trying to read the source code and figure it out on your own. And now you're in this group with all these other architects and experts. Then how does that affect you when you're like going back to your job and doing your work?
It's like a safety belt because when you try to figure something out, there is a lot of content in the net, but you have to find it, and it has to be so that you can use it for the problem you have. But now I have a group of people who are experts like me, and I can just drop a question, and if someone knows something about it, he or she can answer it. And it's it's like an interactive search engine, better than AI. It's not AI, it's just I.
It's actual humans.
Yeah, human intelligence, and it's way better than everything else. Because once I asked, I think it was ChatGPT, about router events in Angular, and it doesn't know anything about it. It says something.
That's because
like
they don't have Alex Rickabaugh.
No, it said something about prevent default to make the routing stop and so on. It's definitely wrong. And then that's the next problem. You mentioned the outdating of information. Nothing is so fast like the tech bubble. And especially Angular is evolving so fast in the last few years. It's for me as a developer who is writing a program which should last for 10, 20 years at least, it's challenging to be up to date. And yeah, that's another thing, that's where this group comes into place, because every one of us has long living code, and to keep this up to date and how to keep it up to date, it's good to see others too with the same problems, and so we can exchange the information we gathered around our own problem. Especially this meeting last Friday, where you have someone from the platform, someone from the framework, and then the application developers all together, because every one of us has his own domain, and we have to work on the things the other do, and to get these things connected is a really nice thing.